Okay, hey guys. So I know I've been so slow on my vlogs, but things have just been hectic. As you saw in my last vlog, my aunt was admitted in the hospital and everything was just a bit hectic. I wasn't going anywhere. I was just home with my grandmother and all of that. But now I'm out of the house and I'm back in the grill and just trying to recuperate, get back my probably a little bit of happiness that I have. So now I'm getting ready to go snorkeling and just have some fun. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not really feeling everything today, but oh well, that's it. So yeah. In my last vlog, we had said that my grandmother was 102, but to be honest, she's 101, and so she was born in 1914. Yeah, 1914, and next month, the 17th of September, is her birthday. So the whole family has just got it mixed up because we always thought that she was 102 before, or whatever. These old people, they have like two birth dates because they were like born on one day but registered on the another. So I think that's where the mix up with is, because sometimes some of the family members celebrate her birthday on April, but on her birth certificate it's actually September, but she was actually born in April. A whole lot complicated, but yeah. So next month is her birthday and we probably have a get together for her as we always do. So I'll be keeping you guys posted where that's concerned. So yeah, I'm out now. Later. So yeah, this is the ocean right at the backyard of where I'm staying. Over there, it's a little bit in the grill, little big country club. I actually love it here because it's so pretty and it had a pretty pool over there. So yeah, this is where we'll be snorkeling. I hope there's some nice stuff. Oh my god, the sun is like extremely hot though. Like hot. And I just saw something in the water over there. Moving. Looking bigger than a damn fish. Oh my god, what have I done? Oh my god, my eyebrows. Anyways, hey guys. So today is just a very hot day here in Kingston. Burning up. I don't know. Like, this is what I have on. I hardly have clothes on and I'm sweating and I just had a shower. So Anton, my friend from the hash, wants to go hiking, and yes, I agreed. But my aunt is not here. Oh my god. And I can't leave my grandmother alone. Like, I'm just praying that somebody walks in right now. I wonder what time she's coming back. It's 10:30 now and I told him 10:30. I am burning up, man. The place is so hot. Whew. But still, I'm excited. I haven't been out hiking in a while because I was sick the other day. I've been sick every day for the past few days, I've been having cramps and not really cramps. I don't even know what you call those, but some pain in my belly, and I've been just feeling a bit ill. I don't know why, but oh well. So yeah, I'm just waiting so I can leave out. I must be very unfit now. Look at this little fellow. Frisky. Frisky! Look at him. I can't sit anywhere and he's not with. What is it? He must be hungry. Although I just fed him. He eats like a horse. Not like a little cat anymore. This is all he wants to do. Play with my hair. Oh, by the way, do you guys like my salt and pepper hairstyle? I kind of like it. Anyways, let me go and get somebody to stay here. See you guys later. Look at this beauty.
So much road them is all over the place now.
Yeah. So much. And now we're here. Welcome to Holywell.
Anybody up at that bush?
No. So yeah. Oh, finally we're here. It was a bumpy ride.
Yes.
A very bumpy ride.
What shot?
But short.
Still
It's nice. Yeah, so I've never been to Holywell before. I've only seen or heard of it and seen my friends taking pics here. But never before have I been. Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park. Woo. So this is the view, although most of the trees are blocking. Another down there. Anton with food. Woo. Ah, this is nice. Yeah. Everybody writes. So we're gonna take a walk, tour around this little place. Holywell is lovely for hiking, camping trips, and just if you wanna have a nice little getaway with friends or family members. It's very quiet, peaceful, and a good escape from the heat, the Kingston heat right now. Great escape. I just made my signature. My name, Mishka Blake, was here. September 1st, 2015. Then you have that ugly lizard up there.
Not moving.
Hey.
No.
Yay. Okay, so we're leaving here now. It was great. I have to say, it was lovely. And I'm getting cold because, again, I have no clothes on. But it's really lovely here. Huh? Oh my god, I'm getting cold. Don't mind leaving. All them soldiers. This is so nice. Young soldiers. All these men. Drill time. Yeah. Hell no. Screw up. So that's where they stay. Oh, yeah. And this is called Newcastle.
This is where all they are. But then put the new ones in. They come up here for training.
So all of those are new.
Yeah, new soldiers. And they have the other cap similar to this in money. Similar type of thing.
Oh yeah, I know the one in money, but going to Serendipity. Oh my god. No, it's not really long.
Spin around, park up there and then come back. Okay.
Oh, ain't that beautiful? Oh, that's so cute. Let's care for each other.
Ah.
And that's all. Ooh, so cute.